Nkechi. No. If you see what I suffer, how I suffered to get mine. If I see any cockroach, not even the girls of this village will temper.
My dear, would you? Your own is small. If you see what Emeka did to me, Emeka drink me.
Serious?
Let me just see. If I go get that guy, let me just show those little children. Let me just see them. Even this one's where they are. If I just see you now.
Hey.
No, even have shown
I want to thank you.
No
guys chasing you people. No guys chasing you two of you.
If I see a girl, just snatch it from
Let me just see you.
You guys should be careful of Michael, guys. If I see you,
Good day, ma.
Good day, ma.
Nkechi and Uju, don't you see me?
even if we see you.
Hey,
Uju and Nkechi. This woman is the mother. You're supposed to greet her.
Come. What is your own? When did that one start?
Both of you are taking too much. It's not good. Bear it in mind that one day you end up in and you face the repercussions. May God help both of you. Bye-bye. But this is not fair. It's not what I just
She's right.
What is your own?
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
The reason why I called this is because of the complaint I got last time.
And what was the complaint?
Oma, allow me to finish. You are the one that are causing this girl to mess up.
Answer my question. Don't talking on that.
The complaint was that even Nkechi and Uju don't know the name of my wife.
Mama. Uju is greeting now by force.
I wonder. Shut your mouth, Nkechi. You are taking too much in this family. I'm warning you. If you do not shut it now, I will help you and do that.
You see what I told you? You see what I told you? They have changed. They have totally changed.
Yeah. Nkechi, you are taking too much in this house. That your stubbornness is becoming too much. If you did not shut your mouth, I will help you and do that immediately.
How hard to defend herself, even in the court of law. Okay, can you imagine?
Hey, I was busy.
So is it what you have turned into in this house that we cannot eat? So I'm talking, you people are living.
And they make noise.
Jesus.
Papa, you know why I just kept silent? You know, in this family, I am a man. I'm a man in this family. See, just imagine how we are talking and they are living.
My son, calm down. Calm down. Don't worry. Don't worry.
But don't tell me that.
Don't worry.
See how we are talking, they are living.
Nah, Mama, these people are taking more than required.
Mama, what do you suggest we do now? Especially that imbecile, that man.
My daughters, people should just calm down. Calm down. Does he think he can kill my husband and just go like that? He can't go scot-free. More. Hey.
Mama, be done beautiful. Beautiful.
Mama, whatever you are planning to do, be fast about it. Because as I'm talking to you right now, I'm thinking of what to do to that man. How can he kill my father and just go like that? On
wow.
Case for now.
Uju,
Ma,
you follow me somewhere tomorrow.
fools. Ago, you and your family, any one of you that steps his or her foot into this farmland shall not live here alive.
Ma, are you done?
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Malego.
What is that? Your leg. What is that? Papa? Papa? Mama? Mama, get up now, Mama, please. Mama, get up. Papa? Let her please get up. Mama?
What happened? Please wake up now. Wake up now. Mama! Wake up now. Wake up now. Mama, please. Please wake up. Papa. Mama, what happened to my family?
How am I supposed to know? Eh? And what kind of rubbish question is that? Nonsense. Let's go. Mama. Rubbish. Why is he asking that kind of question? Please,
Mama? Mama? What is it? Hey! Mama?
Ebe wana nebu wana ya